Hello Libra, welcome back. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here with your love guidance and love messages for April 1st through the 15th. You guys who are new, welcome, and I hope that you like this. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, okay? If you are interested in watching more of my videos, I do highly recommend that you take advantage of the extended readings to these videos because there is a lot of helpful information there. In this one that you're about to watch, we are going to go through two things here. We're going to look at your feelings and your person of interest feelings about you and the point of view. How do you view them and how do they view you? Now in the extended, we go deeper. We look at what you guys really want from each other during this time, and also some angel messages for guidance to help you out. All right, so Libra, let's see here. It looks like April 1st through the 15th, you guys are basically going to be really just living your life. You may feel different emotions and mood swings, many different changes in the way you feel overall. So your feeling is not going to be stable April 1st through the 15th to really say how you're truly feeling, because things are going to keep changing with you guys. And the reason why that's being brought up is because at this time, you just have to look at, how the stars are aligned for you guys, to be honest with you. But I do sense that is not going to be stable energy. You may find this kind of energy a little bit challenging to get through, or you may feel that the tasks that you have in front of you are a little bit difficult when it comes to work or comes to other things, okay? But overall, I sense that the way you're living your life, though, you're living a bold life right now. Very bold about things. And you're doing this for yourself, not needing to impress anyone, not needing to interfere with anyone, not needing to intervene on anyone's life either. You're learning now that anything that does not concern you, you're out of it, okay? If it does not have your name on it, you have nothing to say. You're out of it, okay? Now you're starting to listen to what your angels and guides are telling you, okay? So that's the type of vibe I think that you just want to be on. Your person of interest, how are they feeling? So this is a person who feels quite relaxed during this time. I don't sense any craziness with this person. They could be negotiating contracts at this time, or they could be trying to negotiate with you to spend time with you. Okay, this is someone who is coming across as a bit bored. They're needing a distraction. They're needing a lift in their energy or mood, and you may be just the person to raise their vibration. This is someone who has fun times ahead, though. I see that maybe they have something planned coming up and they're looking forward to that. But until that comes, they could be someone who's just like, I'm bored, I want to see you, I want to be around you, that kind of thing. This person has some new energy coming in soon. They could be just lounging around, not really having too much to do or not really having too many plans. But I sense that this person is wanting to share some valuable time with you, or maybe possibly wanting to open up to you and share valuable information with you. This person you're interested in, okay? This person is willing to explore new feelings with you within the connection too. But overall, relaxed atmosphere or surroundings with this person. I feel like their home is their sanctuary. They're just chilling out, relaxing. If you guys live together, then they may feel that peace at home. They could also be someone who's slightly demanding. So if you talk with this person, you may notice that they could be asking you a lot of questions, or they could be picking your brain about some things, or they could be making simple requests, and you could feel like they're asking for a lot right now, but I think it's just because they're bored, to be honest. So they just kind of want to spice things up. Okay, Libra, you got some normal energy coming through, which is refreshing because the last sign was pretty interesting. Okay, so your point of view, how you see them, how they see you. All right, before I say that, I want to say that you guys are dealing with a very important twin flame connection. And there is something, or maybe even if it's not a twin flame, which I highly think it's a twin flame. But if it's not, then for a lot of you, it's a soulmate. Okay, and some people wonder, like, how do I know the difference? You know, it feels like a soulmate. I don't know much about twin flames, or it feels like a soulmate. What is a twin flame? So it could be that there is someone like this in your life. Now, how to tell the difference here is that with a soulmate, you're going to notice that things come together way easier than it is with the twin flame. With a twin flame, it could take years to come together. With a soulmate, it just naturally happens the traditional way. It happens the way everybody else gets into relationships. And that's how you'll know. Okay? That's just really how you'll know. For some of you, you know, with a twin flame, it's like you meet each other. It's beautiful. And then you have a separation which could last years. And it's going to be painful, extremely painful. And then you come back together for union. Okay? So that's how you can tell the difference. That's a twin. But a soulmate is someone who, it feels more traditional, like how your other relationships started. Or if it's just normal, it's things you see on TV, you know, things you see in movies, things you see in TV, things you see in your mother, your dad, your grandmother, your grandfather, things you see in like people who just got together and they're together. That's a soulmate. Twin flame is something totally different and very rare. Okay. So, but for a lot of you guys, I sense that you're dealing with the twin flame energy. And so what I'm getting here is that whether it's a twin flame or a soulmate, it really doesn't matter. But what I see here is how you see this person and how they see you is exactly the same. Literally identical. This is how you see each other. You both view each other as a person who can bring balance to each other's lives or to the lives of other people. You both see each other as people of justice, people who want to make things right for either yourselves or for others. You both see yourselves as fair-minded people. You want things to be done in a fair way. If you have children with this person, then you both really value children, or maybe you want children. You both may want children, okay? It could go either way. Or maybe you both work in some type of field or profession where you guys will be working with children, okay? I'm also getting here that you guys are both conscientious that playing games in love can be dangerous. It can become dangerous if you play games. You both know the capacity in which the other person could hurt the other person if games are being played. You both are at a point in your lives where you want to be independent of your partner while you're in the connection, but you also don't want to play games with each other while being away. There is a sense of respect between you and this person. I'm also getting that you guys both want the union. You both want to be together. You both want to come together. You both do. So there is a union energy that is here, which means that it's possible that it could happen because you both want it. You're on the same page. You both work as a team together and you both support one another. And Spirit is also giving you guys a message about needing to work as a team, learning how to work as a team and supporting one another and then keeping this going. I'm also getting here that this is how you see each other. Like literally you see each other the exact same way, okay? But I also get that there is something major here surrounding the word wisdom. That must be the word of the week. And there's some lessons specifically for you about this and possibly about a Leo, I think. There's a Leo energy that I think it was Leo's reading where I talked about wisdom as well. So if you're dealing with a Leo, check their reading out because it's about that too. But I think that you both feel like the wisdom can be the middle ground in the connection where both of you can see eye to eye here when it comes to that. But you both will get this kind of understanding or will reach this understanding that you both are wise when you both decide to understand that you're on the same level. and see each other the same way. Like it feels like it's a little bit of a challenge when it comes to talking to one another or meeting at the mind. One feels more wise than the other feels wiser than the other. And I think it's not about who knows more, who has more information, who has been around the block a few times more than the other. It's about knowing that you both do, you both are, and you meet in the middle and share with each other the wisdom you both have. Why it's like why can't we just be a wise old couple, versus acting like kids and acting as if we are smarter than the other one. This is not, are you smarter than the fifth grader, right? This is like, we're smart in the 5D together, right? So yeah, that is what this is about. And I think that if you guys can meet in the middle, then everything goes well. But we have to look at a little bit more of this to tell, because I do, like I said, I do give those extended. So if you are interested in an extended, I highly recommend that you get one, because we're going to look at what this person truly wants in this connection right now. What are they trying to say? Okay, what are they trying to get at? And then also look at the guidance, some real-time advice that's going to help you and give you advice on what you need to consider as well. All right, so check that out. Thank you for watching. God bless.